welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to check out the all new Nokia 8.1, which costed me around cost me around 1,499 dirhams, or around 400 US dollars. Now since I pre-ordered this, I get a free HP Sport Kit printer, which actually costs about $100 by itself. So let's open it. Let's just keep that aside. Now a quick rundown of the specs. It is a 6.18-inch POV display with HDR, 12MP with a 13MP mix of dual rear camera with OIS and a 20 megapixel front camera. AI imaging, dual side mode, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor. Now the 710 is actually more comparable to the Snapdragon 835, which is a previous year flagship processor. So this is especially important because a lot of phones around 400 US dollars is actually previous year flagships, such as the Galaxy S8, which you can actually get around for the same price. So it's pretty Nokia packaging here. As you can see, the Nokia 8.1 with a notch. And literally any other Nokia phone that you buy, you literally get the same packaging, except that the phone is different. So let's open this up. Let's see. Come on. Okay, here we go. And right out of the box, you get the device first. Let's just take that out. Okay, looks pretty good in the hand. Let's keep that to the side for now. This up, you get the SIM card ejector tool right here, enclosed in this plastic, which is pretty weird because usually you just get it with the manual or something and it's just kept over there. You don't really have to tear open that packaging just for the SIM ejector tool. Let's keep it there. Let's open this up. Okay. This is a 18 watt fast charger, and it comes right out of the box, which is great for Nokia because usually at this price range you don't usually get mobile phones that comes with fast charger built in. Okay, let's keep that there for now. Then you get a classic pair of Nokia earphones and the USB-C type cable, so that's pretty good. This is pretty much really straightforward. Let's look at the device itself. Okay, it's completely enclosed in plastic, which is a good thing, so that it won't get scratched up from the factory. And plastic there too. Okay, it's glued in pretty well. I had to give that. And there we go. Amazing. Now this is the iron steel, I think it was. I'll have to look into it. Yeah, iron steel color. Now if you focus a bit closely, if I shine light directly on it, it turns into more like a burgundy color. Otherwise it just looks black in normal light, a normal daylight. But let's try to get, yeah, see that? It looks burgundy purple maroonish color. I'm not sure what color exactly this is, and the side bezels are silver, and that's pretty cool. Let's see if there's no battery in it. And here we go. The body feels really solid in the hand, and the display is also really good. The notch seems a bit unnecessary in a sense. I'll try to focus in on here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is a lot of empty space in this notch, and that's not a good thing because a lot of other devices such as the Huawei or Honor tries to minimize the size of the notch by not putting in any units, and I can't really see anything over there except for the camera and the speaker, and it just feels pointlessly large. The phone is now updating, And the one thing I would immediately notice is that the screen to body ratio is actually pretty good. Yeah, I mean there is a notch and there's a bit of a chin, but it's not significant. Unlike the Nokia 7.1 Plus, I think, or the 7 Plus, the Nokia 7 Plus, yeah. So unlike those devices, those low mid-range devices, the chin isn't that big, and it's really manageable. Another thing that I'm also noticing is that the back screen doesn't stick much fingerprints. I can smudge it all along, and the fingerprints aren't that bad actually. So props to Nokia for working on a new type of film protection or something. Another thing I had to really comment on Nokia is that the build quality is really good. There's no flex. It's literally feels sturdy in the hand. Let's take a look at the top. The top has one 3.5mm jack. The left side has one slot for micro SD and SIM card, and it doesn't seem flush. It's kind of a bit weird. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the slot for this thing and the bezels are like in different levels. It's more leaned inside for the micro SD and the SIM card slot. It's more leaned inside. It's just a tiny. It's nothing significant, but it's just thought worth mentioning. And on the bottom you have a microphone, USB Type-C, and the speaker. Over this side you have the power button, volume button. Towards the back you have the fingerprint scanner and the dual camera setup. Alright, so now that the device is completely set up, I do have to say I'm not in love with this wallpaper. Let me see if I can find anything nice. Oh, that one's good. Okay. Okay, looks set as wallpaper. Home screen. Okay, that's really nice. And you can see your Google Now briefs over here. And let's see. Okay. And there aren't a lot of apps. Actually, there is just very few number of apps. And that's one of the good things about having an Android One device. You get a really clean interface with no junk or bulk apps. Unlike a Samsung phone, which will come with two gallery apps, two cameras, a lot of things like that. And it's kind of annoying when I see phones has like multiple versions of the same app, and it's really annoying and it takes up a lot of space. And that's a good thing about having Android One. You don't need all those. It's really just pure Android. Also worth mentioning, the phone is incredibly sleepy. It really slides off the table. And first on the screen looks gorgeous. The cameras, let's see. Next. The cameras look fine so far. They don't look too good, but it looks good enough. I would have to review this. I will also make a video with Google Cam installed in this and see how better it becomes. And selfie camera actually looks really good. Let's take one over there. Oh, I process it a bit. Kind of reminds me, and it's actually a really good photo. It's actually a really good photo. You can see all the clear details. That's me at the trash over there. Anyways, so that's pretty much about it, guys, for the Nokia 8.1. I'll do a full review of this in a few weeks, and make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be making follow-up videos comparing the speed test with Galaxy S9, just to compare how the Snapdragon 710 compares to a flagship processor. And I'll also be making a Google camera video of this and comparing with the S9 as well. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Until next time, bye.